How to create account in Goodbudget. Want to get your finances organized and on track? Goodbudget is fantastic budgeting app and it's all start with creating an account. Ready to jump in? First things first, if you haven't already, you will need to download the Goodbudget app. Head over to the App Store if you are using an iPhone, and if you are using an Android, simply go to the Play Store and download the app. Once you have downloaded, simply tap on it. You can see my app over here. Tap on it and let's go inside. Once you are inside, you will see two options over there. There's an option for the login and second one is create new household. As we are going to create an account, simply tap on create a new household. Tap on it. So it have asked to set up the budget, and here's you can see several options. Let me spell out it one by one. So here's an option for add envelope. There's a monthly and more envelope. So envelope over here is the item that you want to add. For example, so I want to add a envelope cell phone. Simply tap on it. I will just recharge my cell phone 2 times a month, 50 each. Let's keep it 100. Then tap on OK. You can even choose the budget period right over here. Simply tap on this drop down over here and then you will be provided 3 options. The first one is monthly and every year and goal. As I'm keeping it for the monthly, simply tap on it. Then tap on save. So your envelope is added successfully. For the monthly, there's an option for groceries, gas and cell phone that I have added recently. And for the annuals, there's a saving. And you can even edit the budget amount from here. Simply tap on this one, then you can change the budget amount from here. Let's go backward again, and once everything looks good, simply tap on next. Then it says great, your budget is set. Now let's put money into envelopes, then you can spend them later. There's 2 options on that. Let me do it. And second is fill M for me. Let's tap on fill M for me. After that, you will be asked to register your household. Now what you have to do is simply fill up your email address, password, and repeat your password in order to confirm the password. And there's an option for yes, email me updates. And if you want to get to know about the features, you can simply take this up, and there's terms and condition. You can read it by tapping on it like this. I'm not going to read all of it for now, but if you have any confusion, if you have any doubt of this app using the data that will violate the rules, you can just stop using this app. So let's go back. After reading terms of use, simply check this I agree. So let's fill up all this information, and after you have done, simply tap on finish. Then tap on I agree. Ta-da! You have successfully created an account on Goodbudget app. Now tap on let's go and go inside the Goodbudget. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.